friends, I am Ishita Narendra Devade from Department of Civil Engineering, Tulsiram Diamond Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. Today we will discuss about the topic of Pascal law. Pascal law is state that pressure or intensity of pressure in static fluid are same in all directions. Let consider triangular shaped fluid elements having an angle ABC is equal to theta. Then the force acting on fluid elements are Fx is the length of AB, Fy is the length of BC, then AC is the length of Fs. Resolve the forces of x direction. Fx summation of Fx is equals to 0. Then Fx minus Fs cos theta. Then put the value of Fx and Fs. Then Fx is a Px into dy into 1 minus Fs is a Ps into ds into 1. From figure 1, cos theta is equals to dy upon ds, dy is equals to ds cos theta, Px into ds cos theta minus Ps into ds cos theta equals to 0. Px minus Ps is equals to 0. Then Px is equals to Ps. Resolve forces in y direction. There are three forces. First, Fy is equals to Py into dx into 1. Then second, Fs sin theta is equals to Ps into ds into sin theta. Then third, self weight of element is equals to F1 upon 2 into Fs into dy into rho. Then summation of Fy is equals to 0. Then Fy is minus Fs. Summation of Fy is equals to 0. Fy minus Fs sin theta. Put the value of Fs and Fy. Then Fs is equals to Py into dx into 1. Then Fs is equals to Ps into ds into 1. Then as the fluid elements is very small, hence neglect the self weight elements. Sin theta is equals to dx upon ds. Then dx is equals to ds sin theta. Py into ds sin theta minus ps into ds sin theta is equals to 0. Then py is equals to ps, equation b. Then from equation 1 and 2, from equation a and b, px is equals to py is equals to ps. Hence, pressure and intensity is same in all directions. We will complete our